Since LucidLink mounts like a local drive and functions like a shared NAS, the Windows file locking needed by Autodesk's AutoCAD, Revit, Bluebeam's Revu, and other AEC software works seamlessly with LucidLink, providing an experience of being in the same office using the same local shared storage, regardless of the user's geographic location, and all without needing to download files. For example, a user here in Boston can open, edit, and save an AutoCAD drawing from a LucidLink file space, no differently than if it were on that user's local storage. While the user in Boston is working on their drawing, another user in Germany goes to open that same AutoCAD drawing. And just like if they were using local shared storage, the user in Germany gets a pop-up window stating that the file is opened by another user and asks whether they would like to open it read-only. Only when the user in the US saves and closes the drawing will another user be able to edit that same drawing. A LucidLink file space provides a secure and globally accessible single source of truth collaborative storage platform where team members have the experience of working in the same office.